So to convert this thing as our modular coding, so first of all, I think remember we have to update the entity. So let's update the entity. So here is my entity. Let me copy and let me update it here. Then after that, I have to update by config.py. I'll copy this method. And let me update it here. I also need to import this data transformation config from the entity. It is missing. No. Now what I have to do, I have to write the component. So let me open the component. So data transformation .py. So let me copy. That's it. So let me import this as well. So from ml project.entity.config entity import data transformation config. I need anything else? No, fine. Now let me create the pipeline. So let's go inside pipeline. I'll create a file called stage03 data transformation. But see, whenever I'm executing data transformation, there you have to write one small logic. See, what is the logic? First of all, you can see I have imported all the library, and this is the class I've prepared, and this is my main code. Okay. See, what you have to do, first of all, you have to open that status.txt file, which is available inside my validation. I think you remember. So inside validation, this is the status.txt. And whenever status is true, that means my data is in correct format. That means there is no issue with my data. That means I can start with the next stage, right? My data transformation, model trainer and all. So that is what actually I'm doing. I'm extracting the status and I'm checking if status is true, then I'll be running the pipeline. Okay. Otherwise, I'll raise the exception to the user. Your data schema is not valid. Okay. So this is one small layer verification you have to do. Okay. Before executing the next pipeline. Got it? So yes. So this is what we have to do. Now let's call this thing in our endpoint. So this is my endpoint. So let me import transformation pipeline and let me call the function. Data transformation, I'm calling the main function from the data transformation training pipeline. Now let me check whether everything is working or not. I'll remove the artifact. Now let me execute the program. See, execution is complete. Now let me check. See, data ingestion done, validation done, and transformation done. And this is my test CSV and trend CSV. Okay. Yes. Now the next stage will be doing the model trainer part.